So I've started by finding the derivative or the gradient of a function at a certain point. How do you set that up? You go to your special place there, pick this, and then fill it in appropriately. The thing that you need, so you need to, whatever the variable is, needs to be consistent, x here, x there. And to pick a value, you need to go into control and where the equal sign is, and you pick this funny thing here, and then type in whatever it is, x equals 2, and it will give you the gradient at that particular point. I've now followed on by finding the integral between limits here, so if you need to find the area. And I've also included the modulus symbol there in order to keep it positive, which can be useful as well. Hopefully you remember why. I'm not going to say any more here. You can, again, access these by going to your special place. Both of these parts can be accessed here. So there is your integral sign between limits, and here is your modulus. So they can all be found in the same area. Lots of other fun stuff there as well. Great little tool that one is. You may also need to calculate combinations with your calculator. So one way of finding those is going into probability and combinations. Now, if you wanted to do, say, 6C2, you would type in 6, 2, and that would give you 6C2, 6 combinations 2. So formatting, very important there. Remember, so you find that it's under probability. Do it again. Menu, probability, combination. Should be easy to find. Just use a comma. Just a quick reminder about Finance Solver. You can read through on your own calculators here, what each part represents. Say I had a loan for 5 years, paid interest at 6%. Or let's say I was saving money in a savings account. And my present value was started with 500, and say it was compounded annually, compound period, so that would be 1, and then I should just click on the blank cell to get my future value. What would that be worth after 5 years? There we go. Now remember, recall, this is important. It gives a negative value here. Doesn't mean you've lost money. The future value would be £669, dollars, whatever. But remember, for present value and future value, one of them has to be plus and one has to be minus. So when filling this in, if they're both the same symbol, you're just going to get an error message. So remember, whatever one you're trying to find, you leave blank and you just fill in the rest. And all the info is on your Finance Solver. If you can't remember how to get in there, let's get out. So you just simply go to menu, go to Finance Solver. Bosh.